Schach says that if a person ha'oseh sukkato tachat ha'ilan pesula, one who makes a sukkah under a tree or under an overhang, which again overhangs your house. Many of the houses have some kind of gutter, and therefore if one does it under that gutter, that part of the sukkah is pasul. One cannot sit under it during Sukkot, even though on top of him he sees schach. Being that on top of the schach, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 feet above, there's a tree, or there's an overhang. The halacha is, it's pasul, it's no good. The question that arises, many of the people want to know, if I did that, and I'm not sitting under there, is the rest of my sukkah keshera? Is the rest of my sukkah kosher? That's what I want to know. Acham, I understand I can't sit under where the tree is. But what about the rest of my sukkah? Is the rest of the sukkah kasher? So the halacha is that there is something called dofen akuma. Dofen akuma means that you don't have to have the entire schach, the entire top of your sukkah covered with schach. Even if you have pasul schach covering the top of your sukkah, it's still kasher. As long as it's within daled amot, pachot medaled amot, it's kasher. Most of the cases, definitely not daled amot, it's less than 8 feet, 6 feet, for sure less than 6 feet. The overhang is about 1.5 feet maybe. So in such a case, that's still considered one of your walls of your sukkah. So it's still kasher, the rest of your sukkah is still kasher. Just, you have a problem that you can't sit under that part where there's an overhang, or where there's an air conditioner, or where there's a tree. Again, if it's with pashet or that, if it goes most of your sukkah, then you have a problem. You don't have shiur of a sukkah, maybe you have another issue. But as long as you still have a nice sizable sukkah, and it's less than 6 feet that it extends over your sukkah, that wall is still considered a regular wall and it's kasher. However, this is all true as if you covered the top. But if you left it open, a lot of times I have schach, I covered, but then a little bit at the end, I don't have any spare, I don't have enough schach. I'm missing. So what do people do? Okay, I'm not going to sit over here, I'll leave it open. It's okay, I'm not going to use it. Halakha says that if you leave an open space of 3 tefachim, which is a very small amount, 3 tefachim could be maybe 6 inches. If you left open a space of something of 3 tefachim, 6 inches, maybe 8 inches, somewhere there, halakha, it doesn't count as a wall. Now the wall's gone. It's as if you don't have that wall. So let's say you left 2 sides open. From this side, I didn't have enough schach. Okay, I leave this side open. So now I missed 1 wall. I still have 3 walls. I'm good. So let's say now I left the other side open also. I don't have enough schach on the other side. So now you only have 2 walls. Rabbi, but I have 4 walls. But if your schach doesn't reach the wall, then the wall doesn't count. It's as if it's not a wall. So therefore, you lost out your wall of your sukkah, and the sukkah becomes pesula. So again, one should be very careful when putting on the schach, that the schach should reach to the wall. Make sure that the schach gets all the way up to the wall, at least in a case where you only have 3 walls. If a person has 4 walls, even if one of his walls don't reach the schach, he's still kasher anyways because he has the other 3 walls, so he's kasher.